Hello again, new game in Scratch. As you see, we have this character inside the maze and we have to take it out until the green point, and the character should not touch the blue wall. Let's do it. So first step, we have to create the maze. Go to choose a backdrop and click on paint. Okay, so the first step, we want to make all the backgrounds white, so choose here the brush and make it as big as possible. Let's paint the corners. After that, let's use the fill, choose the white color and do it like that. So now you have a white background. Now to create the maze, I want you to choose the rectangle tool and choose a color you want. I'm gonna go to dark blue, make the size smaller, like 10, and you can start creating the maze. I'm gonna do it and I will get back to you. As you can see, the maze is completed just with using the rectangle. Now we want to make a red circle in the middle for the starting point and the green circle at the end where the game ends. So to do it, choose the circle and choose the color you want. We can start here with the green one, change the color to red and do one more in the middle. Once you complete the maze and the starting and end point, let's start creating the character. I want you to go to choose a sprite and paint. We're gonna create our own character, so I'm gonna draw it and I will get back to you. Okay, so this is the character that I made. Now let's move on to write the code for this sprite. Okay, just to make sure, when you click on the sprite, choose a size of 20 to make it small so you can move inside the maze. And now let's move to the code section to start writing the code. As you know, we start always by the green flag clicked. We want to make sure about the X and Y for the character, so we have 1035. In the motion, go to XY 1035. Now we have to make the buttons to move the character. So as you know, we use the forever, and inside it we need 4 of if then statements for right, left, top and bottom. Under the sensing section, we need to add when key pressed, first one up, second one down, third one right, and last one left. As you know, for the up and down we need change Y. Let's make it 3. Another one for the down, let's make it -3. And then X for the right and left, so change X, 3 for the right and -3 for the left. Now the character is able to move to all the sides. We have to add another condition if the character touches the wall, so we're gonna reset and start again from the center. For this we also need the if then, and inside it we wanna add the sensing touching color. To choose the color, click here and click on this button and then choose the wall, blue, dark blue. So now if the character touches the wall, I'm gonna go to X, Y, which is the center, so I'm resetting the game. And also I'm gonna add a sound. To add a sound, go to sound section, play sound until done, and let's choose one that we want. For example, you can go to sounds and you can search for the sound you want. I'm gonna go to big bowing. That's it. Click on it and you have it here. Let's get back to the code. Click here and search for it, big bowing. Now it should work. We also need another statement if the character went to the end point, which is winning the game. So we also need to add if then statement, also touching, under sensing, touching. Let's add the color here and the same but with a message that I won. Let's add it here under look, say you win. Now the game is working, but I'm gonna add more features like the timer. As you can see here, I want you to go to the sensing, check the timer box, and I want you to add a reset timer in the starting point after when green flag clicked. To know exactly how much it takes from the player to reach the green point, we have to edit this message. So instead of say you win, I want you to go to the operators, add the join block inside the say message, change the apple to you win, and after that type timer 2 points, and here we will add the timer. So go to sensing, you will see timer here, add it. Now this message will be shown with the timer. Let's make it 3 seconds, and that's it. Also remember, if the player win the game, we have to stop everything, so add the stop all block after that. We can add a sound when the player won the game, but if we add it before this or after, so they will not start in parallel. So I'm gonna add another block here. Also when green flag clicked, and then choose forever. Inside the forever add the if then block, and choose if touching color. Also choose the green one. Then play the sound that you can choose it from here. I already have it. It is win. And for sure don't forget the stop all. I think that's all what we need. Let's check if the game is working. Start it, and you can see when I lose the sound is starting. Let's try to win the game and check if it works. Hopefully I'm not gonna lose. Yalla. Okay. Ta-da! That's it for today. Thank you for watching. You can check the code if you want. This is the code for the character, and this is the code for the sounds of winning. Thank you, and see you in the next time.